It's another day in the market, and it's another losing day for me. Not gonna lie, this month has not been looking up. Like this week has been trash. Last week was even worse. But what can I say? It's just day trading, right? It gets like that sometimes, and right now is just one of them times for me. It's funny because like as I'm saying that, I'm looking at this setup right here. This is a demand setup. And it's a winning setup. But it happened before my session, right? So a winning trade happened before the trade I took and after the trade I took. But the one I took was a losing trade. It's crazy. Even the counter trend setup won. So it's like it's just one of them days where execution was just not the execution. I'd say probably trade selection. You know, like not taking the best quality. It's a good setup, like it's a valid setup, but it ain't an A plus. You know what I mean? So I think that's where I would say I fell short. So let's look at this trade, right? It was a breakout for buys on gold, and boom! At this point, we're really bullish on the day, and the EMAs are lining up pretty good, and we're breaking above both of them at this point. This looks good. So we end up for buys somewhere around here, and we're trying to hit the 1-to-1 first target 1-to-1, and then first target 1-to-1, right? But then price starts doing this shit. Immediately, I'm getting like I'm already thinking that this shit is not gonna work out. The fact that you have this liquidity grab happening right here, right? This little resistance level, liquidity grab. It's kind of trend, but it's there. And then the fact that it keeps wicking while it's closing strongly as it's pushing down and breaking the structure. Like as soon as these kind of started forming, I had an idea of the situation that I was in. But you know, it was a TP stop loss type of day. You know what I'm saying? So that was a losing trade. And it's unfortunate because it's like an 8, was it a 9? What's this? 8:55. Look what happens, right? Look what happens after. This is one of them cases where it's like you're not wrong as far as the direction of the market. You're just wrong as far as timing. Like right direction, wrong time. You know what I'm saying? So boom, this happens. At this point, I'm already done for the day, right? I'm not about to jump into another trade or nothing like that. But let me see what it looks like on the 15. How much? No wonder. Interesting. Did it tap? I don't think it did. Ooh. Let's look. Honestly, I think it tapped, you know. But let's go to open, high, low, close. So this candle, the high is 29.47.6. And the low for this is, yep, 29.47.6 it tapped. So that changes stuff. So I didn't see this. I was already off the market, but it tapped it so perfectly. Talk about precision, bro. And gave us a strong rejection of the 200 above yesterday's high. And then it gave us a nice breakout candle. You know, boom. At that point, you know, it just takes off. And heartbreak. Heartbreak, man, because it's like you're supposed to be in this. It's one of them ones. It hasn't been a good there's a whole bunch of lines on this. Let me just take out some of this. This right here was for the support. And you see how the support held. You know what I'm saying? We were just early. But delete those. This right here is the 1 hour demand. And it was a 5 minute liquidity grab mixed with a breakout. If you had taken that, you know what I'm saying, you're eating good. And trust me, it went up a whole bunch more. Right? This is just like, it went up for the rest of the day, I think. So, fucking kidding me? Like, I don't even want to scroll up for you. I don't want to scroll up. That, like, I definitely missed out on a big one today. This happened 9 o'clock. And then it started breaking out around market open. But that was pretty much the day, to be honest. It was just the one trade, and we were liquidity. What can I say? We took the trade, we were liquidity. It came, it took our stop loss towards market open. Price decided that she was ready, and she took off. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people made money on that, but not me, not today. But that's what it is. Tomorrow we're gonna come back. Last trade for the week, and halfway through the month. Last week was not a profitable week. This week is. Tomorrow's gonna have to be a real good. You know, it is what it is. I just gotta keep showing up every day and just keep executing and just keep being better. Right? There's always space to be better, and there's always a chance or the possibility that like you will get a bit too comfortable or relaxed with the process of what you do, and that can cause slip ups. I'm sure I have done that myself, so that's something I gotta keep an eye on. Make sure that every day is always intentional as the first, right? So that I can make sure that there's a level of consistency that I can hold myself to every day. Because I'm not gonna lie, it's been a bit sloppy for me in the past couple of weeks. Even just the times I'm waking up, the times I'm getting to the charts, where I'm at when I'm like, it's been a bit all over the place. So it's something I'm gonna have to work on, but it's nothing to work on. I just need to do it. But you know, with that being said, tomorrow, Friday, and we're gonna show up and we're gonna trade again. Because you know, last week it was a rough week. I didn't trade Thursday, and Thursday was a great day. So let's just hope tomorrow's a great day. And until then, I'ma see y'all. Peace.